show you guys how to make and shell potions. It's for my friend Wishlist from Facebook. Okay, first you need to take a bottle, fill it with water. Sorry, I talked too fast, guys. Because nothing. I need to buy more craftings today, so I went fast. Okay, and then give me the things. Okay, I choose this one. Give me this one. This cute little shell one. And let's choose more. This one. Ensure this small one. This is a really good. It's too much. I'll try to close it. And whoa! I hope you guys like it. Bye, guys.